Hello, everyone. This is Desiree. I look forward to working with everyone again this semester. My field placement is a work site placement, so I work for Child Protective Services in Delaware. So that is what I am currently doing for my intern and field hours as well, just doing different job functions than what I normally would. I really enjoy being able to work, do my field hours at work. It just saves me a lot of time. Everybody's busy, but I know the people there. Like, I always have help and support if I need it. So that is something that I really enjoy because I do like my job anyway. So I like being able to learn the different functions and stuff like that to support my field hours. A challenge that I faced is, I think, just regular things that everybody has probably dealt with at this point when working with clients, difficult clients, people that don't want to cooperate with you. It's just hard and you get burned out. Like, it's tiring to deal with those types of people all the time. So that's just something that I've more recently had to deal with in my cases. I'm not sure why, but it is something that I'm working on and, not taking it personally. It's just something that I have had to encounter and deal with as it comes. So one thing that I've learned about myself, I think I have learned to mediate better, if that makes sense. We have a lot of different types of meetings where I work. So family team meetings, team decision meetings, and a lot of those I would be the leader for. And when I first started at the agency, it's awkward, meeting with families and everything. So I wasn't really sure if there was an argument or something between two family members, how to go about doing it. But now I feel like with my field hours and looking at everything through a clinical social worker lens, I have gotten a lot better at that. So that's something that I appreciate. So that is pretty much all the updates I have. And hopefully we all get through this summer semester, get through our general field hours, and be done.